In this Code It Quick, I'm going to show you how to very quickly make a k-nearest neighbors classifier using Python's Scikit-Learn library. We need some data, so we're going to get the MNIST handwritten digits from Kira's, and we need our data to be in a NumPy array. So here's how we do that. In this example, we have four different arrays. We have a training input X, where we have 60,000 examples where they are 28 by 28 images. We don't actually want them to look like images. We want to change this part so it's just one long vector. So we're going to flatten that in a moment. We have the training Y, where this is good to go. These are the 60,000 actual true answers for our data. So these inputs should have this true answer. And then the testing information should look very much the same, except this is going to be a different number because we have a different number of test information. We need to flatten our testing and training input arrays, so I'm going to do that right now. Now we use Scikit-Learn's libraries. So from Scikit-Learn's neighbors, we import a k-neighbors classifier, and we make an object of this by constructing that, and then we set the number of neighbors equal to whatever we want k to be. And then we switch the algorithm to be, I used brute because on our data set, it turns out that this is very slow unless we do brute, but quite often you don't need to set this at all, and it'll be set to auto. Now that we have this KNN classifier, we just need to call its .fit method with our training X array and our training Y array. And then we can quickly score the model by doing score and evaluate it with the same test X array and test Y array from above. Our model got 97% on the test set, which is actually very, very good. I linked more in the documentation down below if you want to check it out. I also have a link to this Google Colab in the link down below. Subscribe for more.